Okay, folks, so sorry about putting in a parabola, but here's the way this should be. We have our vertex right here, negative 1, 0. It doesn't have a k, so I could just put in a plus 0 there. But we have this multiplier right there. So when I multiply this number, I have to go up 2 units. So I have to go up 2 units. There we go. So let me get my screen back to where it was. All right, let me just move that a second. There we go. So I have to go up 2. So from this point over 1 and up 2, and remember, these are S-shaped, so I go over 1 and down 2, right there. When I take this times a multiplier, I have to go up 16. So from the vertex, the so-called vertex, that's why it's in quotes, I go over 2 and up 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I need to go over 2 and down 16, all the way down about like that. So these are funny shaped S's. And I kind of missed that top dot. But that's how the graph was. I apologize. I should have graphed the funny shaped S instead of parabolas. Over here, I have my 2, 1 for my vertex right there. And this is what we remember. So now I have to multiply this by a half, which would be down a half. So I go over 1 and down a half, up 1, over 1 and up a half. Again, this is going to be a funny shaped S. Half of 8 multiplied by negative 1/2 times 8 would be down 4. So over 2, down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I go over 2 and up 4. 1, 2, 3. So that's what it should look like that. They're funny shaped S's, not a parabola like I did in class. My apologies.